Hey guys, this is Madden Mobile Player with a new first ever YouTube video. I just need to do this really quick because I just need to get my channel started and I need to hurry up because I'm about to go to a bonfire and I don't have time. So the thing we're doing today is just opening up these packs, and I'm going to show you my my team. So let's see, we only get 400 right there. And 100 right there. Well, that sucks. But I only have 88,000 coins. Anyways, my brother interrupted me, but it's alright. So this is my team, my offense. It's not that good right now, but I'm planning on upgrading it with you guys. And same with my defense. My defense sucks right now. The only good players I have is Talib, Grimes, and Peters. But yeah, my special, I don't really care about those. But yeah, that's my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just like and subscribe, and I'll be doing way much better videos, and I'll be posting daily. See you guys.